Hi, my name's Tom. This is my brand new TV stand. I like it a lot. I got it from Amazon. It came in a flat pack, and it came so all disassembled, and I had to assemble it. It was packaged very well. It was a little on the heavy side, but I was able to get it out, put the whole thing together. It comes with tools, it comes with screws and all the little standard little pegs and everything. It took me about 3.5 to 4 hours to build. It comes with a screwdriver and a little Allen wrench, so you can do it by hand. You don't need any particular tools. I did have an electric drill, which did help me get some of the screws in. That did speed it up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the cool features. First of all, you notice it is a little bit lower. I'm sitting on the ground right now. I like the lower TV stand. This can hold, I think, up to 70 or 75 inches. This is a 65-inch TV, and you can see it still has some room on the side to kind of hold it. But I like it when it's lower like this because, as you can see in the reflection, my couch is over there. So when you're sitting on a couch and you're actually looking at the TV, your eyes are hitting right in the middle of the TV. Very, very good. I like that as opposed to being too high or too low. It does have 4 cabinets or drawers. These are 2 drawers, and I just have stuff in them. You can put DVDs or games or whatever you want in them. And then each cabinet, they do have super adjustable hinges. That is very, very clever. That's very helpful. And then each cabinet does have shelves, and the shelves can lift out, and they can be adjustable as well. And there's the same thing on the other side. It does have little feet, and it has a little bit of space underneath. If you like that, that's fine. It doesn't go all the way to the floor, so we'll have a little bit of space there. As you can see, this big center in here is good for DVD players, VHS players, video games in my case, obviously. And then obviously behind, it does have space for cords and for everything to fit back there. It's just a nice system. It's well thought out. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty tough. Nice and small, easy to assemble. It looks great. I really like it, and it's highly recommended.